Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today I'm excited to share with you this 2021 Porsche Macan S with only 16,000 original miles. This Macan has a squeaky clean history with only one previous owner who dealer maintained the car. We did confirm it is factory original paint on the metal panels. And speaking of that, you can view all the paint thickness readings on our website, alphacars.com, where you can find the vehicle listing. There's always the link to the vehicle listing at the top of the description below. This Porsche is for sale at the date of this video posting here at AlphaCars, so make sure you check out that listing, get familiar with all of the information we provide, and then feel free to reach out to us if you are interested in the Macan. We do offer vehicle transportation as well, so do keep that in mind. In this video, we're going to do a full condition overview of this Porsche Macan. So, with all that being said, let's get into it. Let's start on the exterior of the Porsche, where overall it is in excellent condition. There's a few little bits of shadow on it from the tree, the sun behind the tree. But the paint finish is all very consistent. And it has the panoramic sunroof here. A little bit of dust on it from the New England weather. It's just been outside for the morning. And yeah, let's get a little more up close and personal with all the panels. The hood looks excellent, especially the front of the hood and the bumper. They look excellent. I don't see any major notes of like highway usage or pitting or anything like that. It all looks really good. There's a couple little scuffs on the plastic chin spoiler down there, but they're really not too noticeable unless you know they're there. And going down the driver's side now, let's check out the edges of the panel. And we can see here, even in the sun, it looks excellent. I don't see any major imperfections or dings or anything like that. Now let's go down the driver's side. And same thing over here, it looks really good. This car does have a black trim package, so all of the trims are on the windows and such are all gloss black. It looks awesome. Now at the back of the Macan here, there are a couple imperfections that were touched up on the rear bumper. You can see in this area a couple little scuffs that were touched up, and then there's just one just about right here. I do want to point that out. But other than that, the diffuser back here and the quad exhaust looks awesome. We can open it up with the button there that's sort of hidden in plain sight. It still has the plastic covering on the metal sill plate right here, so we'll leave that up to the next owner if they want to peel that off. And we've got the full set of the Porsche mats here. Let me remove these so we can get a look at the mat below. And with those removed, we've got the full Porsche trunk lining. And if we pick this up, it is really in the like new condition underneath. And we can even lift up the floor here, and you can see there's the, looks like a wheel lock key, the spare, and part of the Bose sound system there. And then with the one-touch operation, we can lower this back down. And just before we get to the interior, I did forget to show the wheels. The wheels overall, they do look good. They have a few cosmetic imperfections on some of the edges, which you can see in the video here. You can see on the top edge, there's a little minor scuff on the machined part. This car drives smooth. It's purely cosmetic. This wheel, there's the light scuff just down there on the machined part. And then this driver's rear wheel, you can see the cosmetic imperfection just right there. But overall, they do look good. And once again, you really gotta know some of these things are there to really notice them. Now looking in the interior, we'll take a quick peek here. Of course, this car is 16,000 miles. The interior, it's pretty much like a new vehicle. It is in excellent, excellent condition. We've got the rear temperature control there and panoramic sunroof looking awesome. This door panel looking good. Sorry about the sun today. this time of the year here in New England with where the sun is in the sky. It's not ideal for the filming we do, but we're making it work. And yeah, just checking out all the condition of everything. We've got the protective plastic down there. You can see there's a little bit of just dried water on those protective mats. This car has already been popular, already gone on a test drive or two. And honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it was sold soon after I edit this video because there's already a lot of interest in it. But yeah, looking in the front now, other than, you know, the sunlight on the seats, you know, the color's all consistent and such. It's just that sunlight. And yeah, I mean, the seats really speak for themselves. There's no wear to the bolsters or anything. Dashboard condition looks great. Open up the glove box here. There's a factory booklets in there. Carpet condition, especially this kick panel. There's really like not one scuff on that. It looks awesome. And see if I can block some of this sun glare. This door panel looking good. Now at the driver's door. Check out the driver's door panel, all looks good. Seat memory settings. It's also the switch to open the cargo door from here. And driver's seat looks excellent. I don't see any sort of wear and tear or anything to talk about there. Headliner looks really good, along with that panoramic sunroof. And even the sill panel down here looks really nice. Let's start it on up. We confirm the mileage, 16,450. Got the nice high definition screen in here with the navigation on there right now. With the Premium Package Plus, this thing has all sorts of features and options. We've got our heated and ventilated seats up here. They all do work excellent. Really, it's like a new vehicle in here. You get in the Porsche here inside and you think it's a new vehicle. So here's the steering wheel. And you can see no normal wear or tear or anything like that. And all the gloss black trims on the car do look really good. And just to show you the screen, kind of going through some things, all sorts of settings and cool things you can do with the car. We've got cup holders down here, center armrest, which has some media inputs there. And the armrest material does look good. And especially in the sun, you would really see if there's something going on because the sun kind of brings out all the imperfections, but there's no really imperfections to report. Lastly, let's check out the engine compartment as we lift the Macan's hood here. 3-liter twin-turbo V6, over 300 horsepower, super fun car to drive. These cars have excellent reliability track records, and the transmissions are really good too. They shift lightning quick, and they're really well proven now at this point. And yeah, not a whole lot to show under here. It's very clean, it's very orderly, and it's idling very happily and very quietly. So now that we've done our quick condition overview of the Macan S, I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please leave a like on the video. If you are interested in this vehicle, be sure to check out the listing on our website, alphacars.com, and then feel free to reach out to us if you want to move forward with the purchase or need vehicle transportation. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. If you've been seeing this Audi S6 over here, that's also an excellent car we have for sale. You can view that on the website, but once again, maybe it'll be gone by the time you click on it, but still check it out and see for yourself. So I want to thank you for watching once again. Please subscribe for future motoring content.